Hi everyone, I am MD SHAMRAT MIAH. Today I'm going to show you our access control list second part. So second part mean our extended access control list. So my recent previous video was for about access control list. Basically I make three parts for this access control list. The first part was for this design. How can I design? How can we configuration all things for make a simple access control list design on Cisco packet list or Cisco packet tracer uh, for access control list. And my second video was for we know that on that video I told to everyone that there is a two type of access control list. The one is standard and another is extended. So on my second tutorial video, the video was based on standard access control list, and on that video I showed to everyone on that video that how can we do uh, block, how can we do access control list with standard mode. Now this video I'm not going too long. This video is based on our extended. Okay, so how can we do that? Basically I am going to open my, so basically what I'm going to do now, so this red circle here is our host PC and its IP address is 140, and I'm going to block this computer only for my outbound this server. Okay, so for these things I have to open my uh, desktop. Here is my command prompt, and I'm just doing, I'm just trying to ping my server PC by outbound way. Okay, so ping my server PC IP is 192.168.0.100. So I'm just pinging this for a well check that between our host to our server PC's communication have well established or not. So this connection is well established. There is no problem. No one is blocked for communicate with each another. So we are going to do now uh, block our this PC which IP address is in class B, its network address is 140. So this PC I'm going to block, and we are not able again to ping from this host to our server. Okay, so for this way I have to go this router. Why this router? Why this? Why not this from this router? Because this router is well connected this server, and this router helps to communicate through our host router. Okay, so we have to use our host own router. Okay, so I have to click my host router and need to enable this conft. Here is our configuration mode. So I have to write in here access list, and sorry, oh sorry, I did wrong for write this command on this access word, access list space question marks. There is a two type of ACL mode, standard and extended. I'm now doing extended at this moment. Okay, so the range I can select 100. That means I'm working now extended space and question mark again. Here is the three options: Denny, permit, remark. Okay, I will use both of them, the Denny and permit, during my videos. I'm now going to use now Denny. Okay, and question mark again. So here there's a few options we have to be choose from here that we can block, and which mode we will use, the HP. Okay, CSP, GRE, ICMP, IP, OSPF, TCP, UDP. If you just if you just come here after visit my second video, so you will notice from there that there will be no options like that wave. So when we use their standard range on my second video, so I write on there that there was 50 and there was no options. So okay, so for extended control list facility has like this way that we can choose our protocol for block. Okay, so I am going to use our IP. So I'm going to use in here IP and question mark again. So like this, before my second video, we have our options. We have a few options like a second video that we need to use IP address. So 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 there are the three options, that source address, this is the IP address, any source host or host. We can use in here host to host because our host PC's network address is 140 and server's network PC is network address is 100. They are established with their different classes, but we can, if I want, if we want, we can use host to host. But I think that for my beginners, brothers and sisters, the IP to IP will be very well remembered for everyone. So I'm going to use IP. Okay. So my computer IP is 172 host IP. I'm going to block this IP. Okay. 172.168.0.140 space. This is a big class, so I need to be uh, subnet mask. I have to be writing here 255.255.0.0 space again. Now I have to write in here my blocked server. Okay, server IP here is 192.168.0.100 space, and this is class C. uh, so I can write in here my subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. I need to be enter. So when I press an enter, so I need to, here is a logic we have to understand this router is connected with our this circles PC, this wanted PC. So these are this PC can't be used communicate with this server as a outbound way. So I have to be writing here, and those connections between those routers are well established with serial port. So I have to be writing here. Where is my CLI mode? Yeah, I have to write in here that interface S0/0, then IP access group extended range 100 and can't well established a network with the outbound way. Okay, so now here is another logic that this router which is well connected with our server, this is the inbound. So I have to be writing here uh, yep, interface first Ethernet and IP access group range is 100 inbound for our server. So inbound, outbound, both we are with our connection serial port and fast Ethernet we declared now, and all our commands are now done. So, but at this point, I have to write in here something that I missed that to show in this video, that this computer can't be connected with this server, but this computer can be connected this PC0. There is no problem. So I have to write in here something like that. I will try. Let's see that what I should write in here, that just wait please. Access list. Okay, access list 100 permit any. Let's see. Okay, no problem. I should try like this way. I'm trying this access list 100. Just a second, please. Okay, it's unrecognized. I don't know why it's showing to us that unrecognized. There should be something problem that I should write in here like this way. After this access list 110, just a second please. I have to use that permit for my others. Okay, no problem. In this video we done our access control list and we set our commands for our host to our server. So let's see it first. Okay, so at this moment I have to right click on here, command prompt. I have to go in there. So before we see that our host PC are able to well connection with our server, so if I write in here ping our server IP address 192.168.0.100, first it will be showing to us that destination host unreachable. Why this is unreachable? Like as before. So our access control list is well established now in our Cisco packet tracer. So this is the way we can use our extended. But here we can do one thing, that if you not want your access control list at this moment, so you have to write on your CLI mode from this router that if we write in here no access list 100, that means the access control list is gone now. So if I click on here from our command prompt and if I try to pinging our server PCs, so we are successfully making communication. Okay, at this moment. So ping 192.168.0.100. It's successfully replying. There is no connection lost. So that means that's in this way we can do our extended access control list work. So the main facilities on our access control list is we will get few more options than our standard access list, and those options are in here. That we can block by AHP authentication header protocol, EIGRP, Cisco's EIGRP routing protocol, ESP, encapsulation security payload, and we selected with IP, any internet protocol. So those few options those few options are allowed on our extended control list system. So I hope that in my video, if you try at your home, so you can easily do this on your Cisco packet tracer if you already installed on your PC, because without practice you can't be a good memory for so long. Okay, so so today's videos is enough for our extended ACL. So how can we make a design for access control list, and how can we standard and extended? I do every video with a 3-part. So I hope that so many beginners and you will like this video and make me with your subscribers, and I hope that as soon as possible I will come with a more interesting topics in our cybersecurity. Thank you very much.